Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy pumpkin pie. We'll guide you through creating a delightful dessert that's both wholesome and incredibly tasty. You'll learn to choose better ingredients and follow straightforward steps to bake a pie that everyone will love. Get ready to transform a traditional favorite into a guilt-free pleasure, perfect for any occasion. Let's get baking. To make your pumpkin pie healthier, start with smart ingredient choices. Use 100% pure pumpkin puree, not the pre-sweetened kind, to control sugar. Swap out refined white sugar for natural alternatives like 1/2 cup of maple syrup or a few drops of stevia. For the creamy texture, try unsweetened almond milk or light coconut milk instead of traditional evaporated milk. And consider a whole wheat or almond flour crust for extra fiber and nutrients. Preparing your healthy pumpkin pie is straightforward. First, in a large bowl, combine your pure pumpkin puree, 2 large eggs, and your chosen natural sweetener. Next, whisk in your favorite warming spices, such as 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and a pinch of cloves. Gradually stir in about 1 1/2 cups of your milk alternative until the mixture is perfectly smooth. Finally, pour this delicious filling into your pre-baked healthy pie crust. Now for the best part, baking and enjoying your pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for the first 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes. The pie is ready when a knife inserted about 1 inch from the crust comes out clean. Let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before slicing and serving. Enjoy your wholesome, homemade pumpkin pie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.